Hi guys, Denpax here. Welcome to my channel, where we talk about Apple products, accessories, and some sneakers. And today, we are going to review the UAG Civilian Case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But before that, please hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell to be notified of my new videos. Let's go! We have here the UAG Civilian Case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. UAG, or Urban Armor Gear, has been in the case market for quite some time now, and one of their popular case was the Plasma series. The civilian case comes in three colors: black, olive drab, and the one we have here is the slate. Looking at the interior of the case, we have a unique two-tone color combination. It has a military drop test standard engraved inside. Whichever color you get, you always have this black and orange color inside. The case has a hard plastic at the back and a durable rubber bumpers along the sides for a more rigid protection. The honeycomb pattern inside gives a much greater protection for the phone, which UAG is calling their Hyper Cush technology. Putting the phone inside the case is quite simple. Just snap the device into the case, starting at the volume side, then you are good to go. Looking at the back of the case, you have the Urban Armor Gear branding as well as the camera cutout. As you can see, there's an extra thickness at the back that gives enough protection for the camera. At the left side of the case, you have the cutout for the mute switch as well as the volume up and down button. At the bottom of the case, you have the cutouts for the microphone, lightning connector, and the speaker. At the right side, you have the raised power button. All the buttons are clicky and tactile and is easy to press. There's a raised beveled edge protecting the screen of the phone. I have a tempered glass installed on my phone and still there's a little raise on the side. The case is also compatible with wireless Qi charging. I have been using this case for a few days now. Overall, this is a really great case. It sometimes feels bulky, but it is sturdy. This is also available for the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro, as well as for any other brand of smartphones. Please check the link below to view more products from UAG. If you are looking for a case for your iPhone that gives enough protection from drops and scratches, then go for this one. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye!